Hi guys, I'm Punya and welcome back to the channel. So basically, आज की video has to be one of the most requested videos. Literally, all caps में most requested video. तो मतलब a lot of people were like okay Punya, you really encourage us to use LinkedIn more and in a better way, but जब मैं वो ऐप खोलती हूँ ना मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ. उसमें इतने सारे फीचर्स है, इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, इतना कंफ्यूजिंग सा ऐप है, एंड विच it doesn't have to be, because we are going to break it down in today's video, so stick around till the end. Buttons, home screen, जहाँ पर basically you see all the posts and all that. This is the latest Reels वाला feature, and in fact if you're trying to grow on LinkedIn, तो you should definitely check this feature out. इससे like तुम्हारी Reels बहुत rapidly grow हो रही हैं. The next is network, notifications and job profile. Basically अगर तुम्हें post करना है तो this plus button, here you can post videos, pictures. You can also post an event if you're trying to host events, whether this is online, whether this is offline. This is how you can post events. And apart from that, you can always add ये या तो जब when you're updating your job या फिर कुछ कर रहे हो तो तब तो तुम्हारे पास ऑप्शन होता ही है पोस्ट करने का. This is also another way to post your jobs or certificates or whatever. The next we have is a poll. You can always add polls. These are a great way for you to connect with your audiences, and you can also add documents. अगर तुमने कोई research paper वगैरह लिखा है तो you should definitely post out your documents here. And yeah, last is if you want to find an expert on some kind of a thing, you can always do that, and this is for the job. And if you're trying to schedule a post, इसमें काफ़ी लोग confuse होते हैं. Starting में मैं भी हुई थी. Basically when you're trying to schedule your post, just here you can always schedule them, and if you want to see your already scheduled post, just go on the view all. You will see. अभी मैंने कोई post schedule नहीं कर रखी, but अगर तुमने कोई कर रखी हो, it will show here. So let's navigate back. Yeah. As you go to your profile section, these puzzle games, some people I like it. I see like रोज कुछ लोगों को पसंद है games, so maybe you can also go to your, see when you this is a post, you can always like it, like maybe you have multiple variety of reactions, you can use whatever, you can comment, repost and send. And उसके अलावा you can go, you can save your videos, save content if you like it, and if you want to go back to it, just go here. You can see these are the posts that I have saved. उसके अलावा you can also save articles. Yes, there is an option for articles and newsletters on LinkedIn as well. And this guy, this is called a banner. Like काफ़ी लोग confused हो जाते हैं. This is called a banner. This is your tagline. And you can always add a link here as well. You should always add a link. एक कोई portfolio website type से अगर तुमने बनाई हो तो you can add a link of that here. And you can always go to your analytics of how your profile is exactly working. उसके अलावा this is your about section, top skills. And अच्छा हाँ, this is a very interesting thing. ये चीज़ मेरे को पहले नहीं पता थी. Featured में एक तो you can always जैसे कि कोई मेरी post है, this for example these are the posts, जैसे कोई ये posts है, I want to feature it, I can always go say, I can either save my post and उसके अलावा I can always feature this post. When I feature it now look at this. कोई भी बंदा आएगा ना, सबसे पहले मेरी प्रोफाइल पे उस बंदे को फीचर्ड पोस्ट दिखेगी. तो काफ़ी लोग इसमें अपनी टॉप परफॉर्मिंग पोस्ट वगैरह फीचर करते हैं, बट उसके अलावा यू कैन ऑल्सो ऐड क्या कहते हैं योर आर्टिकल्स और यू कैन ऐड सम लिंक, जैसे कोई पोर्टफोलियो वेबसाइट के लिए, कोई यूट्यूब वीडियो के लिए, या फिर जैसे मेरा चैनल है, एडेड लिंक टू दैट. यू कैन अपलोड पिक्चर्स एंड ऑल दैट. उसके अलावा when you go to the experience section, you can add that, you can add new experiences using this. And then education, skills and recommendations. I would always suggest कि तुम कहीं पर भी अगर काम कर रहे हो तो recommendations ज़रूर लिया करो, and obviously give any recommendations as well. Now there is this another feature, really cool feature, groups. You should definitely check this out. If there is one takeaway you have from this video, let this be the one. You go to this, check out the groups, and you can always find new groups according to your interest. Or you can even better create a brand new group according to your liking. And the thing is, पता है इससे क्या होता है, you find like-minded people and it's like a community, which is always great to have. Now next section that we have is the job section. Here we have 3 subheadings: preferences, jobs and post a free job. Basically in the preferences section you can decide ki, you know, your preferences to work, whether you want to work remote, whether you are open to working or not, and whether you just want to show it to the people who have their recruiter mode on LinkedIn, or whether you want to show it to everybody. That's on you. Uske alawa just check out the jobs that you have saved, the ones that are in progress, the ones that you have applied to, and the ones that have been archived. Uske alawa, if you, I don't think you might need this, but yeah, if you have to post a job, then this is where you do it. That's it, guys. I hope this session was of some value to you. I know कुछ लोगों के लिए this would be like too basic, but then because मेरे को काफ़ी लोगों ने बोला था, काफ़ी लोगों ने कहा था कि hey, we really need this session, so that's why I did it. और कोई doubts हैं तो please feel free to drop them in the comment box. I will see you next Sunday 11 a.m. Thank you so much.